Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unfavorite a space on ClickUp. Maybe you want to easily access the most active spaces by keeping your list current and relevant. So today I'm going to show you how to unfavorite a space on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Favorites. In this section, you will see all your favorite tasks and spaces. Now, choose the space that you want to unfavorite. For example, I want to unfavorite this space, so simply tap on it to open the space interface. Once you have opened the space, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. A new window will appear, and here you can see all the space details. Now, since you wanted to unfavorite this space, simply tap on this unfavorite option. After that, we now have successfully unfavorite a space on ClickUp. It will now be removed from the favorite section, making your list of favorites current and relevant. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unfavorite a space on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unfavorite a space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.